Hello! Hi Maris of January 2027. This is me, Maris of January 2026. I'm just gonna do this para sa checkpoint natin together. Hindi ko alam, siguro I'm aiming for a time capsule para makita natin kung ano na yung progress natin by next year. So, tinanay kong isulat dito kung ano yung long-term tsaka short-term goal natin for this year. Okay, so unahin natin yung for short-term. Tatlo yung nilagay ko dito. Ang ating goal ay passport availment, SAP certification, at saka swimming lesson. So, by January of 2027 ba, nakuha mo na yung tatlong to? May passport ka na ba by January of 2027? May SAP certification ka pa bang valid? At least one that is still valid ng January 2027. And then, third is, nakapag-swimming lesson ka na ba by January of 2027? Marunong ka na bang lumangoy ng threading? Yung kaya mo na ba confidently tumalon sa 15 feet na malalim na tubig? Either swimming pool man yan or dagat. Hindi ka na ba takot kung ano mang mangyari sa dagat? Kung magkaroon man kayo ng swimming day or swimming vacation, mga ganon. Kaya mo na ba? Confident ka na ba by January of 2027 na hindi ka na malulunod kahit na ikaw na lang mag-isa yung nasa tubig na ganun kalalim? Na 15 feet or more. Okay? Sana nagawa natin by January of 2027 yung short-term goal natin. And then, meron naman tayong long-term goal. Ito yung, apat actually yung ginawa ko dito. Ito yung mga gusto natin together na ma-achieve. Pero, we know na magtatagal or matagal siya bago ma-achieve. So, it's a long-term goals. First agenda natin. Kamusta yung almost 600k na utang natin progress? How much na lang yung remaining by January of 2027? And also, may nadagdag bang utang ng January, ng before January of 2027? Or same naman, progress? Pero nabawasan naman natin until January of 2027. So, anong progress natin dito? Second, meron na ba tayong mini savings or mini emergency? No, not or, and. Kasi yung goal natin doon, di ba? At least every month, meron tayong matatabing 500 for savings and then 500 for emergency fund. So, by January of 2027, sa ating mini savings and mini emergency fund, ano na yung progress natin by then? Meron naman ba tayong at least nahulog sa kanilang dalawa? While pinabayaran natin yung utang natin na first item, and while still being able to afford yung ating monthly bills. And then, for third long-term goal natin, meron na ba tayong second income by then? It's either kumikita na ba tayo dito sa ating content creation by then? Or tinuloy mo ba yung balak mo when it comes to online English teaching again as an ESL teacher? May nahanap ka ba? And then, or tinuloy mo ba yung mobile app ng request nung jowa ni ate or ni ate. And then, fourth, last but not the least, yung weight goal progress natin. Last nating EPE last year, September to be exact, September 28 of 2025. Sa EPE natin during that time, nasa 56 or 57 kilogram tayo. By January of 2027, magkano na lang or ilan na lang yung ating kilo by then? What's the progress sa ating weight goal? Pwede din natin tayo magkuha ng reference ngayon. Okay, ako ay tatayo. Ito ang ating itsura of January 2026. Here. And here's the side. Here's the back. Another side. And the front. Balitaan mo ako ha. Ginagawa natin yung short-term goal natin and kung ano yung progress natin sa long-term goal natin. Hanggang sa susunod na daan. Bye-bye! Good luck!